Hello students, I am your maths teacher Richa Singh. I hope you all are doing well. So today we will start new chapter of your book, that is chapter 2, numbers and number names. Let us see what are the new things added this year in your chapter numbers and number names. As you all have already studied framing of greatest numbers up to 5 digits in previous classes. Similarly, greatest 6 digit number is 9,99,999. Greatest 7 digit number is 99,99,999. Greatest 8 digit number is 9 crore 99 lakh 99,999. As you all have already studied framing of smallest numbers up to 5 digit, similarly, smallest 6 digit number is 1 lakh, the smallest 7 digit number is 10 lakh, the smallest 8 digit number is 1 crore, and the smallest 9 digit number is 10 crore. Now we will see what is number system. There are two types of number system, Indian number system and international number system. Let us have a look at what is Indian number system. In Indian number system, there are 4 periods. The 4 periods are divided into different categories. So, the first period is divided into 3 categories, which is also known as ones period or unit period. The categories are ones, tens, hundred. The second period, which is known as thousand period, is divided into 2 categories, 1000, 10,000. The third period, that is lakh period, is divided into 2 categories, lakh, 10 lakh. And the fourth period, which is crores period, is again divided into 2 categories, that is crores, 10 crore. Now we will see how to read numbers in Indian number system. For this, I have taken example of a number 5132628841. So students, before getting to know how to read number under Indian number system, I will tell you how to place comma in Indian number system. So to place comma, you have to follow a very basic rule. That is, we put comma after each period get overs. When ones period get over, we place comma. When thousand period get overs, we place comma. When lakh period get overs, we place comma. Or you can use a trick. In Indian number system, we place comma starting from right side at first after 3 digit, then 2 digit, then again 2 digit, then again 2 digit. So here we have known a number now. Like the number is 51 crore because 51 is written below crores. Then 32 lakhs, 32 is written below lakh. Then 62,000. 62 is written below thousands, and then 841. So the number we got is 51 crore 32 lakh 62,841. Now we will see what is place value and expanded form of digits under Indian number system. So students, to explain place value, I have again taken that number as example. So here you can see the number is 2319617. So to find the place value of any number, we first make a place value chart of Indian number system, and then we start putting the digits from the very right side, that is from extreme right side of the number. So at extreme right is 7, which goes below 1. Then it is 1, which goes below 10. Then it is followed by 6, which goes below 100. Then 9, which goes below 1000. Then again 1, which goes below 10,000. Then 3, which goes below lakh. And then 2, which goes below 10 lakh. And so we got the place value. The place value of 2 is 20 lakhs. The place value of 3 is 3 lakhs. The place value of 1 is 10,000. The place value of 9 is 9,000. The place value of 6 is 600. The place value of 1 is 1 tenth, that is 10. And the place value of 7 is 7 ones, that is 7. Now what is expanded form? A number, when expressed as the sum of the place value of its digit, is said to be in its expanded form. Expansion of 23,19,617 is 20 lakh plus 3 lakh plus 10,000 plus 9,000 plus 600 plus 10 plus 7. Now, what is international number system? In international number system, the periods are divided into 3 categories. Each category is divided into 3 subcategories. So the first period is ones period, which is divided into 3 subcategories: ones, tens, hundred. The second period, that is thousand period, is divided into 3 subcategories, that is thousand, 10,000, 100,000. The last period, that is millions period, is again divided into 3 subcategories, that is million, 10 million, 100 million. Now, how to read number in international number system? Again, we take an example of a number, that is 832456291. So here is a number. To find the place value of a number or to read the number, we start putting the number, the digits of the number from the very right side. 1 goes below ones, 9 goes below 10, 2 goes below 100, 6 goes below 1000, 5 goes below 10,000, 4 goes below 100,000, 2 goes below million, 3 goes below 10 million, and 8 goes below 100 million. So here we got the number 832,456,291. So that was the number, and now we know how to read it. So now we should know how to place comma. So in international place value system, we place comma after every period, or the trick is you can place comma after 3 digit every time in international number system. Now, what is place value and expanded form under international number system? Here I have again taken an example of a number, that is 2319617. To find the place value of this number, I have put the digits starting from the right side in international place value chart. 7 goes below 1, 1 goes below tens, 6 goes below 100, 9 goes below 1000, 1 again goes below 10,000, 3 goes below 100,000, and 2 goes below million. Now we have got the place value. The place value of 2 is 2 million. The place value of 3 is 300,000. The place value of 1 is 10,000. The place value of 9 is 9,000. The place value of 6 is 600. The place value of 1 is 1/10, that is 10. Now, expanded form of a number under international number system. The number is 2319617. So, expansion of this number is 2 million plus 300,000 plus 10,000 plus 9,000 plus 600 plus 10 plus 7. Now, what are predecessor and successor? Predecessor, the number which comes just before the given number, is known as predecessor. To get predecessor of a number, we subtract 1 from the given number. For example, predecessor of 289 will be 289 minus 1, that is 288. Now, what is successor? The number which comes just after the given number is known as successor. To get successor of a given number, we add 1 to the given number. For example, the successor of 482 will be 482 plus 1, that is 483. Now, what are Roman numerals? There are 7 basic Roman numerals which are as shown on the right side. For Arabic number 1, Roman numeral is I. For Arabic number 5, Roman numeral is V. For Arabic number 10, Roman numeral is X. For Arabic number 50, Roman numeral is L. For Arabic number 100, Roman numeral is Z. For Arabic number 500, Roman numeral is D. And for Arabic number 1000, Roman numeral is M. Rules for forming Roman numeral. Rule 1. Repetition of a Roman numeral means addition. Rule 2. A smaller Roman numeral written to the right of larger numeral is always added to the larger numeral. Rule 3. A smaller numeral written to the left of larger numeral is always subtracted from the larger numeral. Rule 4. When a smaller numeral is placed between two larger numerals, then it is always subtracted from the larger numeral immediately following it. So students, these rules are very important for forming Roman numerals. At last, I have given an activity. Do this activity in your rough copy. Thank you.